Welcome back to the Financial Independence Network channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, Binance, and the chances of it collapsing like the other popular exchange FTX. But before we do, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any relevant future videos. Also, show us your support by hitting the like button. Now let's get right into it. Binance, the exchange that has everyone on the edge of their seats, wondering if it's going to collapse any minute now. Sure, they've got some issues, like being banned in the United Kingdom for not meeting anti-money laundering requirements and being investigated in Singapore for allegedly breaking local payment service regulations. But hey, who doesn't have a few regulatory issues every now and then? It's like getting a speeding ticket. Annoying, but not the end of the world. And let's not forget about cybersecurity threats, which are a major issue for exchanges. Binance itself has been hacked previously, where $570 million was stolen. But I mean, who hasn't been hacked these days? It's practically a rite of passage in the crypto industry. But Binance is taking measures to maintain users' trust, like being risk-averse and making security protocols stronger. But what if Binance does collapse? What then? Well, users could find it difficult to access their funds, especially if the collapse is triggered by misappropriation of funds, which was a major pitfall for FTX or security threats. But don't worry, Binance has a Secure Asset Fund, SAFU, that ensures users' funds are safe and secure in the event of a sudden crash. Because nothing says we're definitely not going to collapse, like having a fund specifically designed for when you do collapse. Because of Binance's size and popularity, a collapse could also set back the growth of the crypto industry by many years and lead to other exchanges and cryptocurrencies going bankrupt. So, no pressure, Binance. You're not just holding people's money, you're holding the future of an entire industry in your hands. But hey, no pressure. Meanwhile, Binance's CEO, Changpeng Zhao, or CZ for short, has been talking about the need for regulators to have a deep understanding of the crypto industry. Because let's face it, if there's one thing regulators are known for, it's their deep understanding of things, especially things as complicated and confusing as cryptocurrencies. CZ argues that crypto is different from banks and traditional financial industries, which is why it needs its own set of regulations. And he's not wrong. Crypto is different. It's like the weird cousin of the financial world that no one really knows how to deal with. But CZ recommends that regulators let the industry develop fully before introducing regulations. Slim chance of that happening. So what can users do to prevent a collapse from affecting their funds? Well, they're advised to minimize the amount they store in hot wallets and centralized exchanges and keep their funds in hardware crypto wallets. Because if there's one thing that's always worked, it's avoiding the problem altogether. In summary, Binance may or may not collapse, but if it does, it could be really bad. Or it might not be that bad. Who knows? The point is, we're all just holding on for the ride. So buckle up, folks. It's going to be a bumpy one. That concludes our video. If you enjoyed this information, please comment, like, and share. Also, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss our Friday series on the steps to achieving financial independence. Thanks for watching.